Everybody's game time. 2017 Leaf Metal Draft Baseball. 6 autograph cards, all on card. Kind of been a little roller coaster with this. I did very well with it at first, and then you guys probably saw me open the other box that was not so good. So I'm hoping that this swings back up for me and gives me at least one good autograph. My second box wasn't horrid. It just wasn't nearly as good as the first. So, and I feel like I've had a good bit of luck with Leaf stuff. But you know, not every box can be great. Oh wow, this is a mess. Hang on. See if I can pull these out and do like I normally do. There we go. Let me throw that advertisement away. Alright, these are all scattered around, but let's do this. Mitch Keller, base autograph. I love the look of these. I love a refractor though, so I was bound to love these. So Mitch Keller is card 1. Card 2 is Trevor Clifton. Another just base autograph. Selected by the Cubs in the 2013 amateur draft. Okay, Trevor Clifton. Next up is Nate Pearson, State Pride. That's not numbered. 28th overall in the 2017 MLB amateur draft. Signed by the Blue Jays for nearly $2.5 million. Posted a minuscule 0.90 ERA and 0.60 WHIP. 28 strikeouts and 20 innings of work. Number 3 is a redemption. It is Seth Romero, base auto. So both of my last 2 boxes have had a redemption. Oh, I think my first one had the Juan Soto redemption, which I'm still waiting on now that I think about it. Number 5 is Drew Waters. I think it might be Waiters. This is a purple, so it's numbered out of 15. 41st pick overall, signed by the Braves for $1.5 million. At the time was batting .278 with 4 home runs, 24 RBIs, 362 on base, and through 50 minor league games. Alright, so far this box is like the last one, just kind of meh. Let's see what is last. Kyle Wright. I mean, yeah, I got him in the last box too. Yeah, this is another one that kind of let me down. I was really high on this stuff after having some luck with it, and then these last 2 were just kind of meh. Not bad, but not great. I mean, yeah, none of these people were. Well, I think Kyle Wright was drafted kind of high. Yeah, 5th overall. So, yeah, meh. That's it. I'm done. I'm so done. 2017 Leaf Draft. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you being here. I always appreciate it. I hope you all take care of yourself, and I'll see you all again soon.